Carnival Cruise Play Repeat Offer, also known as a Carnival Casino Bounce Back Offer. Who gets these? Why do they get them? And what should you do with them? We're going to talk about all of that coming up right after this. Welcome to Cruising on Comps. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris. This is Cruising on Comps. And today we're going to tackle these guys as I mentioned in the intro. And, you know, I have some pretty strong opinions about what to do with these. And believe it or not, these little guys create quite a bit of controversy in the Carnival Casino cruising world. First though, let's talk about, who gets these and why. And the general belief is this isn't a belief. This has been confirmed. You're going to get one of these based off of your play on your current cruise. So this is strictly based off of the cruise that you are on. And these are generally going to be issued the final night of the cruise. Sometimes they can be a little bit earlier than that. Sometimes you actually can receive more than one of these based off of the progress of your play. For me personally, I've generally always received one of these in my door the last night of the cruise. So where these come from, and this is where the belief comes into play, but there's a lot of anecdotal evidence that suggests that this is the case, is basically how your play ranks amongst everyone that is gambling in the casino on that specific cruise. This is a very good indicator that you were in the top tier of gamblers on that cruise based off of the formula that Carnival uses. And, that's going to be how much you played, what your coin in was. It's not necessarily about point generation as it is just your activity. How long did you spend in the casino? What was your average bet? What machines were you playing, etc. The static formula that Carnival and most cruise lines use is average bet, decisions per hour, how many hours you played, and whatever the house edge is. We don't know the house edge, but obviously you can figure out those other things just based off of your play. Anyway, that would be where these come from. Now, if you get one, should you use it? We're going to jump over to the computer so I can show you this offer that I have compared to the other offers that I have, and why most of the time it's not a very good idea to use this, but there are instances when you should, and we're going to talk about that as well. So let's hop over to the computer and see what we got going on. Okay, so let's take a look at the actual offer real quick. The main thing I want to show you up here up top is just the issue date, which was April the 18th, which was the last night of the cruise. We got off the ship on the 19th. But let's get down here to the meat and potatoes, which the offer is a free ocean view room, drinks on us everywhere on board. Now, pay close attention to that because I'm going to show you something when we get into the actual offer that it doesn't say here. But it is a free ocean view room. I get $200 deposit, and I'll get it back as onboard credit, which is generally the case with any casino offer that I've had. Okay, everybody, so what I've done is I went to Carnival's website, I've logged in, I went to my offers, and we're going to take a look at this offer in comparison to the other offers that I already have. Now, as you can already see on the screen, I have offers that are far more valuable than this particular offer, but the thing you need to think about there is I've already been in Carnival's system, and these offers are based off of my play over multiple cruises, not just the one cruise. So you may not see offers at all, especially if this cruise was the first time you utilized the casino, or you may not see as good of offers as the offer that you got simply because maybe your play on this most recent cruise was better than it was on your previous cruises. So what we're going to do though is we're going to scroll down, we're going to find this offer, and we're going to take a closer look at it. So here it is, cruise play repeat, free ocean view plus drinks for one everywhere. And I do have to book it by May the 13th. Now, on the note that was put in my door, the offer that was put in my door, it does not say anything about it being just drinks for one everywhere. That's something to keep in mind as we go through. We're going to do a mock booking, and I'm going to show you that's one of the things that you really need to pay close attention to. So let's jump in, and we're actually going to do a mock booking on the Carnival Mardi Gras. So I'm going to open up Carnival Mardi Gras, and we're going to see what my options are. Okay, so I've got the Carnival Mardi Gras selected. Generally, what's going to happen when you look at these offers is it's going to give you the closest dates up top. But what we're going to look at is ocean view room. So it's an ocean view room offer. What's the earliest ocean view room I have available to me? And it's Saturday to Saturday, October the 17th through the 24th. So let's go ahead and select this, and then let's go in and see what kind of offer this ultimately ends up being for me. Okay, so I've got the offer set up. Ocean view room, $580 is the total. Now, that's for two people, ocean view, drinks for one everywhere on the ship, okay? So let's just select this room, and then what happens is, and Carnival's real good about this, and this is something that I used to hate, but I actually have grown to love it because of this very reason. So it automatically has selected for me the offer of the cruise play repeat. Now, I have to book this by May the 13th. Keep that in mind. And it's just drinks on board for one person. Again, it does not say that right here, but it said it in the initial offer on the previous page. It's $580, okay? But if we go down here and we look at other offers I have available to me, we have the Perfect Balance offer. The Perfect Balance offer includes $500 of fun play, includes onboard credit of $200 per cabin, reduced deposit of $100 a person, and it's $580. Now, there's another Perfect Balance down here. You might be saying, why is there two? One of them is they assign the room for me. This one I get to pick it myself. I'm going to select that offer. The reason I'm going to select that offer is because I get $500 of free play with it. Okay, so we're going to do a mock booking. Let's open this up and let's look. We've got exclusive casino offer, Perfect Balance, $500 of fun play included, drinks on us everywhere on board the ship for myself and a companion. So right there in and of itself is just a better offer than the bounce back offer. That's the first thing. The second thing is obviously I get $500 of fun play. Okay. So for me, this offer is pretty much useless. And I have received several of these over my years of cruising with Carnival. I've never booked one because my personal experience has been I've always had better offers in my marketing offers than the offer was itself. But you may not be in that same boat. What should you do? Okay, so you're in that situation. What should you do? There's two instances where I would suggest that someone book this offer. The first one is if you're just not in Carnival system at all, this was your first cruise that you actually gambled in the casino, and you want to take a cruise as early as possible. I went to the Mardi Gras. As you could see, there wasn't anything available in October, but the offer did have other cruises listed even up, in a couple weeks from now. So if you're in a situation where you can book and take, and you really want to book and take another cruise as soon as possible, and you're brand new in Carnival system, go ahead, book this offer. The second is if you're already in Carnival system, but this offer is better than any offers that you currently have, and you want to take a cruise as soon as possible, perhaps in that scenario, you should book this offer. Now, other than that, as I said, there's no guarantees, but I would wait. Even if you're brand new in Carnival system, I would wait. Because my personal experience, the experience of multitudes of other people would suggest that the marketing offers you're going to get are going to be far more valuable than this offer. Most of the time, they're actually going to include drinks for you and a companion. Most of the time, not always, but most of the time. You're generally probably also going to get some free play. And free play is valuable. It's free money. It's money you can include in your budget that you don't have to take out of pocket, and anything can happen with free play. So those would be the two instances, in my opinion, where use this offer. Otherwise, if you are not in a position where you're going to be able to book an immediate cruise, or you don't want to, I would personally wait. I think that the offers that are going to start hitting your email box and hitting your physical mailbox within the next month are probably going to be far, far greater. That's been my experience. And again, the experience of multitudes of other folks. So that's my advice. That's what I would do. Let me know, have you received one of these offers? If you have, did you book it? Did you get better offers yourself? Did you get worse offers? Let's start a conversation down in the comments and talk about it. I can only go off my personal experience and what I've heard from others, but I want to hear from you too, especially if your experience has been different. Okay, appreciate all your time, everybody. Thank you again for watching. I really do appreciate all of you. If you haven't subscribed, if you'd be so kind to do so, I would be greatly, greatly appreciative. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you on the next one.